Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value in Laramie. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Overlooking the Snowy Range Mountains, this Laramie, Wyoming hotel is only 3 miles from the University of Wyoming. It offers free Wi-Fi, on-site laundry facilities and spacious rooms. A coffee maker, cable TV with HBO and a small table with chairs is provided in every room at the America's Best Value in Laramie. Select rooms also offer a recliner chair for added comfort. Laramie, America's Best Value Inn is 3.8 miles from War Memorial Stadium and the UW Art Museum. Jacoby Golf Course is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.